might not see anything, but
Whoa!
beautiful.
It's got one of those big shiny things with a lot of tubes and curly coils coming out of it.
Yeah, that's...
With a red doohickey. Finn, it's got one of those fancy thingamajiggers.
I mean, you can get in this car and you probably wouldn't... I mean, aside from the cage, you wouldn't imagine. Just like, looks clean, you know? I mean, the stick shift's a little long. Yeah, I'm blown away. I just literally missed a recording of...
dash cam.
Oh,
I get that footage.
We need that foot. Oh my, that was... Heck yes!
24 PSI, no hiccups.
That...
All-wheel drive feels different.
Yeah, that's what it is. It just... Oh... He's gonna try doing more PSI with a little bit of hiccups, but we'll see how it goes. Little 40 volt. Yeah, okay.
So we'll go back to lap 2.
Oh my gosh! This video is not gonna do justice at all.
You saw when I was going lap 3, it was like hiccuping?
Yeah.
That's my coils, the ignition coils.
And that gets fixed Friday?
Yeah.
Oh, dude.
And then map 3 is at 28 PSI, and then map 4 is at 38 PSI. And then map 4 is what we want. We're aiming for a 950 wheel.
950 wheels what we're aiming. This is all map 2 to everyone who's watching is already unbelievable. This is it. It made me feel like a child again.
Yeah, I can flip a U-turn.
Gosh. This is a 335 all-wheel drive, fully built. Insane. Yo, this is nice. All the work he's putting in, it's now showing.
And then brake, ABS, traction light is gonna go away on Friday as well. Needs coating.
It's so amazing when somebody's building a car and then you get in a ride and you get what you want from it. It's like equivalent to like when I'm on a sport bike, you know, when I had my R1, it's and I'm going like 60, 80. It's like that pole just doesn't stop, you know, like it doesn't get weaker like you expect it to. It just keeps how it felt when you hooked is how it feels at 60, is how it feels at 80 something, it's how it feels like almost at 100. It's just the whole time you're like
It feels like a jet taking off once we hit 4K, but like as soon as it takes off, it's like a smooth power band all the way up.
Yeah.
And then since the engine's built, so everything got up. Like my shift lights are at 7,500 RPM, which my red line used to be at the beginning of 7K.
What is it, factory? Like 6 something?
Factory's around 6.
Yeah. So now it revs as high as a 370 Nismo, but a built motor.
I can rev up to 7,900.
Ooh, even higher.
But you'll see the shift lights activate at 7,500.
Oh man. It is unbelievable. Unfreaking believable, Demetrius.